There's something almost irresistible about a midnight snack, isn't there? That quiet moment when the world slows down and you sneak into the kitchen for just a little treat before bed. Maybe it's a few squares of chocolate or that leftover takeout calling your name from the fridge. But what if I told you that these late-night cravings might be doing more harm than good, especially to your sleep and your overall health? Sleep experts and nutritionists alike warn that eating too close to bedtime can seriously disrupt your body's natural rhythm. Your digestive system, which works hard all day, doesn't get a break when you're shoveling food down just before closing your eyes. Ideally, you want to give yourself a window of 2 to 4 hours between your last bite and hitting the pillow. This gap helps your body wind down and prevents the discomfort that can keep you tossing and turning. Now, not all snacks are created equal. Some foods have been scientifically proven to wreck your sleep more than others. Let's dive into the culprits you should absolutely avoid when the clock's ticking late. First up, curry and spicy foods. Sure, they're delicious, packed with flavor and heat, but that heat comes at a price. Spicy ingredients like chili peppers raise your core body temperature, making it tougher to slip into that deep, restful sleep. Even worse, they can cause heartburn, a fiery sensation that's the last thing you want while trying to drift off. Research backs this up, showing that people who regularly consume spicy meals have a significantly higher chance of insomnia. Then there's ramen. Those quick, comforting noodles that seem perfect for a late-night bite. But here's the catch. Ramen noodles are often highly processed and difficult for your body to digest quickly. This means your stomach is still hard at work well past your bedtime, which can interfere with your body's natural rest cycle. Oranges and other citrus fruits might seem like a healthy choice, but their acidity can backfire when eaten late at night. Acidic foods increase the likelihood of heartburn and acid reflux, both of which can leave you feeling restless and uncomfortable in bed. What about that greasy temptation, fried chicken? It's a classic, especially after a night out. But fatty, greasy foods like fried chicken are notorious for reducing sleep quality. They can cause discomfort, indigestion, and fragmented sleep, leaving you tired and foggy the next day. And for those who reach for a quick snack of cheese before bed, beware. Dairy products, including cheese, have been linked to lighter, less restorative sleep. In some cases, people report vivid dreams or even nightmares after consuming cheese late at night, making it harder to get the peaceful rest you need. So, what's the takeaway here? If you want to protect your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed, it's best to avoid heavy, spicy, acidic, and fatty foods in the hours before you turn in. Instead, reach for snacks that gently support your body's natural rhythms. A handful of nuts, rich in melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep, a glass of milk, or even some tart cherry juice can be soothing choices that help you unwind. Your body deserves the chance to truly rest. The next time hunger strikes late at night, remember, what you eat matters, not just for your waistline, but for your well-being and the quality of your sleep. Choose wisely, and your mornings will thank you.